Welcome to Education for You and welcome to a very important class. So আজি ক্লাছত আমি ডিসকাস কৰিম আপোনাৰ কারেন্ট অ্যাফেয়ার্স যিখিনি আপোনাৰ 2020 কারেন্ট অ্যাফেয়ার্স আছিল জানুৱাৰী টু ডিসেম্বৰ গোটেইখিনি আছে ইয়াতে আপোনাৰ ইণ্ডিয়ান আসাম আৰু গোটেই ওয়ার্ল্ড ৰিলেটেড এমসিকিউ মানে যিখিনি কারেন্ট অ্যাফেয়ার্স আছে তাৰে মোস্ট ইম্পৰ্টেন্ট আমি এমসিকিউ লৈ আনিছো 200 প্লাস এমসিকিউ ইয়াত আছে সো বহুত বেছি ইম্পৰ্টেন্ট হ'ব আপকামিং যিকোনো পৰীক্ষাৰ কাৰণে আপোনালোকৰ হেল্পফুল হ'ব অলৰেডি আসামৰ ওপৰত আমি জানুৱাৰী টু ডিসেম্বৰ গোটেই যিখিনি কোৱেশ্চনছ ইম্পৰ্টেন্ট হয় গোটেইখিনি দি দিছো ডেসক্ৰিপচন বক্সত আপোনালোকে পাই যাব মই লিংকটো দি দিম আজি গোটেইখিনি আমি কভাৰ কৰিছো ইণ্ডিয়া ওয়াৰ্ল্ড এটসেট্ৰা সো লেটস ষ্টাৰ্ট First question is, who was appointed as the ambassador for BAFTA Breakthrough India 2020-2021? Okay, so answer hobo apunar A.R. Rahman. Okay, so BAFTA karane apunar ambassador hisabe tak ki korise appoint kora hoise and teo hoise A.R. Rahman. Then, who became the first Indian to be appointed as global CEO of BATA, succeeding Alexis Nassard? So, protham kore ki Indian mane BATA ki korise global CEO hisabe appoint kora hoise. Agote asile Alexis Nassard buli. Etia bortoman kun hoy teo Indian hoy teo hoise Sandeep Kataria teo naam. So, first Indian hoy BATA global CEO hisabe appoint kora. Who was appointed as first Vice President of World Liquefied Petroleum Gas Association, WLPGA, short form likha World Liquefied Petroleum Gas or Vice President hisabe Shrikant Madhav Vaidya teok appoint kora hoise. Vice President of FICCI answer is Uday Shankar of Vice President of FICCI kora hoise aru FICCI full form is the Federation of Indian Chambers of Commerce and Industry. Okay, the Federation of Indian Chambers of Commerce and Industry, Uday Shankar Vice President hisabe appoint hoise recently. Asian of the Year 2020 title kune paise along with 5 others. Answer hoise Adar Poonawalla, the CEO of Serum Institute by aru ulaise by the Straits Times Singapore Daily. So Singapore ekhon newspaper daily hoy apun the Straits Times tate ulai teoloke ulaise Asian of the Year 2020 tare bhitor pass kora ki egorki hoise Adar Poonawalla, CEO Serum Institute. Vice President of Asia Pacific Broadcasting Union or Vice President hoy Shashi Kumar Vempati teo Asia Pacific Broadcasting Union or Vice President appoint hoise. Okay, Shashi Shekhar Vempati. Executive Director of World Bank. So World Bank or Executive Director recently hoise Rajesh Khuller hoise. Asian Development Bank or Executive Director Samir Kumar Khare. So World Bank or Rajesh Khuller Executive Director or Asian Development Bank or Samir Kumar Khare. UNICEF's Celebrity Advocate in India te hoise Ayushman Khurana, UNICEF or Celebrity Advocate hisabe appoint kora hoise. National School of Drama to NSD buli koa hoy tare chairman kam notun ke bonaise Paresh Rawalok bonaise. New chairman of Press Trust of India PTI, new chairman hoise Avik Sarkar. Chairman of DRDO who got 2-year extension. So DRDO agoraki chairman mane te already chairman hoyi asil aru 2 bosor aru extension pale teo DRDO chairman te hoise G Satish Reddy. State Bank of India new MD Managing Director hoise Ashwini Bhatia. New Election Commissioner hoise EC jitu Election Commissioner former Finance Secretary Rajiv Kumar. So Rajiv Kumar agor Finance Secretary asile teo new Election Commissioner hoise. Meghalaya notun governor ka appoint hoise Satyapal Malik. New additional charge of Goa additional charge loa hoise Maharashtra Governor Bhagat Singh Koshyari additional charge dia hoise Goa karne. BSF or Border Security Force Director General hoise notun Rakesh Asthana aru Oakley's brand ambassador in India answer hoise Rohit Sharma. So Oakley hoise eta apunar brand sports related brand hoy to teolokor brand ambassador hoise Rohit Sharma. UPSC notun chairman hoy Pradeep Kumar Joshi. Lieutenant Governor of Jammu Kashmir notun Lieutenant Governor 20 kak bota hoise Manoj Sinha. New MD and CEO of HDFC Bank Shashidhar Jagdishan, new MD and CEO of HDFC Bank. Chairman of SBI notun SBI chairman hoise Dinesh Kumar Kharra. RBI নতুন ডেপুটি গভৰ্ণৰ কাক এপইণ্ট হৈছে M ৰাজেশ্বৰ ৰাও ইণ্ডিয়ান পোষ্ট পেমেণ্ট বেংক যেটো আপোনাৰ IPPB বুলি কোৱা হয় তাৰে নতুন MD and CEO J Venkata Ram কোনে লিখিছিলে এইখন কিতাপখন বাই বাই কৰোনা ওয়ার্ল্ড ফার্স্ট সায়েন্স টুন বুক বুলি কোৱা হয় আৰু এটো বাই বাই কৰোনা লিখিছিলে আপোনাৰ ডক্টৰ প্ৰদীপ কুমাৰ শ্ৰীবাস্তৱ এইখন লিখিছিলে কোয়াইটৰ নিউ এমিৰ কাক পতা হৈছে শেখ নৱাব এল আহমদ আল জবেৰ সো কোয়াইট কান্ট্ৰি খনৰ নিউ আমিৰ লাইক প্ৰেসিডেন্ট যেনেকুৱা তেনেকুৱা টাইপৰ সো তেওঁ আমিৰ বুলি কোৱা হয় তেওঁ হৈছে শেখ নৱাব আল আহমদ আল জবেৰ দীঘলীয়া নাম হয় দ্য ব্যাটল অফ বিলংগিং এখন গ্ৰন্থ লিখিছে নতুনকৈ শশী থাৰুৰে লিখিছে সো শশী থাৰুৰৰ ওপৰত যেটো প্ৰশ্ন হয় এখানে ইনক্লুড কৰিছো দ্য ব্যাটল অফ বিলংগিং নতুন বুক হয় তেওঁ ডিসকভাৰিং দ্য হেৰিটেজ অফ আসাম অসমৰ হেৰিটেজ ডিসকভাৰ কৰা কোনে লিখিছে জিতেন্দ্ৰ সিংহে লিখিছে Amazing Ayodhya কোনে লিখিছে Amazing Ayodhya লিখিছে নীনা ৰায়ে লিখিছে Our Only Home a climate appeal to the world to comment spelling mistake hoise sorry so কোনে লিখিছিলে Our Only Home a climate appeal to the world by Dalai Lama okay our one arranged murder লিখিছিলে Chetan Bhagate লিখিছে recently okay one arranged murder A bouquet of flowers লিখিছে Rajnath Singhe লিখিছে A bouquet of flower Amar Defense Minister Rajnath Singhe which state proposed to set up a 7th national park named Raimona National Park in the Ripu Reserve Forest to Raimona National Park Ripu Reserve Forest to kune banabor kane propose korise 7th national park hobo ekhon Ahomor hoise ekhon proposal dia hoise who inaugurates Suryadhar Lake at Doiwala Dehradunor Doiwala Suryadhar Lake kune inaugurate korise Uttarakhndor CM Trivendra Singh Rawate The Jewar Airport of UP has been renamed as so UP Jewar Airport of new name dia ase Noida International Greenfield Airport which is the new 50th wildlife sanctuary of Maharashtra 50 number notun wildlife sanctuary অভয়াৰণ্যখনৰ নাম হৈছে Kanhar Gaon Then next, the New Year festival Losar of Ladakh is celebrated on which date? So Ladakh New Year festival to naam ase Losar ahibo pare important. Kun tarikhe palon hoy December 15 2020. World 8th largest milk processor company hoise Amul company. Amulor full form is Anand Milk Union Limited. World's most affected countries due to terrorism. Terrorism or kane sabse beshi affect hoise Afghanistan aru India rank hoise 8th. Next, India's 100% organic union territory hisabe kora hoise mane recognize Lakshadweep 100% organic hoy tate sob bostu organically utpadon hoy Atal tunnel walls longest highway tunnel launched in so world of it sabse longest highway tunnel kot launch hoise Himachal Pradesh aru year length hoise 9.02 km Atal tunnel ki connect kore apunar Manali and Lahul Spiti Valley okay Manali and Lahul Spiti Valley aru yar cost hoise rupees 3300 crore yate apunar cost goise ei Atal tunnel to banaute okay Then Naugarh railway station of UP has been renamed as Siddharthanagar railway station So Naugarh railway station Uttar Pradeshor Siddharthanagar railway station hisabe change kora ase inaugurate korise Piyush Goyale first state in India to go digital in public education bitorot khetrot first mane digital kora digitalization kora Kerala hoise prothom state which state became first Har Ghar Jal state India when we have say Goa top tourist destination in 2019 and that is UP New parliament building to be constructed by kone construct koribo kon company Tata group of companies e koribo new parliament building or construction first state which policies on ethical AI blockchain and cyber security so ebilakor oporot mane policy bana prothom state hoise Tamil Nadu first medical devices park to set up in medical devices park kot banabo Kerala Thiruvananthapuram banabo India's longest river ropeway kot inaugurate hoise Assamot hoise India's longest river ropeway India's cleanest city ইন্দোৰ বহুত কেইবাৰ পালে ক্লিনেষ্ট চিটি এৱাৰ্ড নুখাই গুহৰ এগ্ৰিকালচাৰ ফেষ্টিভেল আগষ্ট 23 সেলিব্ৰেট কৰে ক'ত হয় নুখাই গুহৰ ফেষ্টিভেল উৰিষ্যা আৰু ছত্তীশগড়ত কৰে HRD মিনিষ্ট্ৰি ৰিনেম কৰা হৈছে মিনিষ্ট্ৰি অফ এডুকেশ্যন হিচাপে Which country ranked first in terms of organic farmers and ninth in terms of organic farming? Answer is India. Organic farmers or ক্ষেত্ৰত India প্ৰথম আৰু organic farming or ক্ষেত্ৰত 9 নম্বৰ স্থান পাইছে India গোটেই worldত. Gwalior Chambal Express ko কি নেম দিয়া হৈছে rename Atal Bihari Vajpayee Chambal Progress Way নাম দিয়া হৈছে. Indian Railways to construct world's tallest building across river Ijai in world's tallest bridge koribo Manipurot river Ijai parot mane uporat banabo Moria bananas Harmal chilies khaje which got GI tag are from so GI tag paise eketai to kun state hoy Goa hoy Moria bananas Harmal chilies aru khaje buli বস্তু এটা নীতি আয়োগ ৰিলিজড এক্সপোৰ্ট প্ৰিপেয়াৰডনেছ ইনডেক্স আৰু টপ কৰিছে এক্সপোৰ্ট প্ৰিপেয়াৰডনেছ ইনডেক্সত গুজৰাটে টপ কৰিছে ফাৰ্ষ্ট সিটি অন ইণ্ডিয়া টু হেভ ফিমেল আইকন অন ট্ৰাফিক সিগনেলছত মুম্বাইত আছে ফিমেল আইকন অন ট্ৰাফিক সিগনেল ইণ্ডিয়াছ ফাৰ্ষ্ট কিষান ৰেল ফ্লেগড অফ ফ্ৰম Devlali railway station of Maharashtra Kisan Rail pratham ইয়াৰ পৰা start হৈছে the name of the bridge connecting India and Bangladesh so India and Bangladesh of connect kora bridge khonar naam ase Feni Bridge Times Persons of the Year 2020 answer is Joe Biden and Kamala Harris paisa Times Person of the Year 2020 second nation of the world to plant flag on moon flag plant kora nation second is China USA pratham korisila 1969 hote largest reduction in malaria cases in South Asia topped by the subset reduce hoise India South Asia Quacquarelli Simons as Asia University rankings so Asia University ranking of top kune korise National University of Singapore top korise World's most polluted city by US Air Quality Index 2020 answer is Lahore Pakistan or Lahore is a subse polluted city 16 climate change index dot Sweden ne top korise Sweden sorry first second third dot kuno nai first second third dot climate change index dot kuno nai fourth rank paise Sweden or India rank hoise 10th Nepal China revised height of Mount Everest so Mount Everest height revised koraise taolok korise aru here ase 8848.86 meter 8848.86 meter new PM of New Zealand or notun PM hoise Jacinda Ardern Seychelles or notun president hoise Webel Ramkalawan Japan or new PM hoise Yoshihide Suga okay Yoshihide Suga or Yoshihide Suga notun PM of Japan first country to register COVID-19 vaccine answer is Russia's Sputnik 5 Google launched the Anywhere School in how many countries 250 countries and the Anywhere School launch korise India's annual growth projected by RBI minus 4.5% project korise Reserve Bank of India captain of ICC men's ODI and T20 teams of the decade hisabe paise MS Dhoni okay T20 decade teams of the ODI men's ODI and T20 teams of the decade ICC Spirit of Cricket Award paise MS Dhoni paise Spirit of Cricket Award ICC Men's Sir Garfield Award for Male Cricketer of the Decade paise Virat Kohli paise ICC Men's ODI Cricketer of the Decade Virat Kohli tar pisot ICC Men's T20 Cricketer of the Decade Rashid Khan Afghanistan paise MPs which two cities has been renamed in UNESCO's World Heritage Site. So Madhya Pradeshor dukan city ako World Heritage Site ot include korise heya hoise Gwalior aru Orcha. Word of the Year by Cambridge Dictionary. So Cambridge Dictionary Word of the Year hisabe 2020 Word of the Year hisabe kuntu word koise that is quarantine word to aru second ot ase apunar etu ki boli koy covid or logot jorito eta word asile quarantine to protham asile aru second asile Okay, मैं पाहरी गलो second word to আপোনালোক যি মনত আছে please comment section ত জনাই দিব প্ৰথম যেটো most search word হৈছে is quarantine. Which actor awarded with Aditya Vikram Birla Kala Shikhar Puraskar 2020 কোনে পাইছে Aditya Vikram Birla Kala Shikhar Puraskar পাইছে Nasiruddin Sahe পাইছে Fit India movement or ambassador হৈছে Kuldeep Handu from Jammu Kashmir আৰু তেওঁ হৈছে Dronacharya awardee হয় Kuldeep Handu Fortune Business Persons of the Year award top কৰিছে Elon Musk কৰিছে তাৰপিছত আৰু 8th position পাইছে আপোনাৰ Santanu Narayan CEO of Adobe CEO আৰু 9th আছে মানে এটা ইন্ডিয়ান হৈছে Santanu Narayan 8th rank আৰু 9th আছে Ajay Banga তেওঁ CEO of Mastercard হয় World's 100 most influential women from rank 41 from India. So 100 most influential women or 41 rank kone paise Nirmala Sitharamane paise. Pratham rank ot ase Angela Merkel, Chancellor Germany. Our rank 2 ase Christina Lagarde, European Central Bank or President hoy. Our third rank ot ase Kamala Harris, teo hoise US or Vice President. FICCI Sports Person of the Year 2020 Bajrang Punia wrestler আৰু Elavenil Valarivan shooter তেওঁলোক দুগৰাকী sports person of the year দিয়া হৈছে Rabindranath Tagore literary prize 2020 কোনে পাইছে Raj Kamal Jha for his novel The City and the Sea তেওঁ পাইছে UNEP full form আৰু headquarter United Nations Environment Program আৰু ইয়াৰ headquarter হৈছে Kenya UNEP recipient of Champions of the Earth awardee and answer হৈছে Frank Bainimarama PM of Fiji তেওঁ পাইছে Champions of the Earth award আৰু Dr. Fabian Landers Germany এই দুগৰাকীয়ে পাইছে লগতে Mindy Leber USA Nemonte Nanquimo Ecuador Yakuba Swadago Burkina Faso Professor Robert D Bullard paise Force 2020 highest paid celebrity Kylie Jenner aro Golden Peacock Environment Management Award 2020 kune paise Steel Authority of India paise Golden Peacock Environment Management Award PM conferred Assocham Enterprise of the Century Award to Ratan Tata dise who won CIIRTC Sustainability Award 2020 National Thermal Power Corporation paise Indira Gandhi Peace Prize awarded to Sir David Attenborough paise Indira Gandhi Peace Prize 2020 Nobel Peace Prize kune paise UN's World Food Program e paise COVID-19 ot bahut khini help kora karone paise so 2020 Nobel Peace Prize dia hoise UN's World Food Program Nobel Prize in Literature 2020 American poet Louise Gluck e paise 2020 Nobel Prize in Physiology or Medicine for discovering hepatitis C virus answer is the Harvey J. Alter M. Rice Michael Houghton ekegoraki paise medicine ot Nobel Prize আৰু physics ত কোনে পাইছে discovering about black holes or বিষয় discover কৰা মানে Roger Penrose Reinhard Gengel Andrea Ghez পাইছে chemistry পাইছে for development of a method of genome editing Emmanuel Charpenter and Jennifer A. Doudna পাইছে নামকেইটা অকমান টান হয় দুবা তিনিবাৰ মান practice কৰিলে আহি যাব Nobel Prize in Economic Science for their work in auction theory Paul R. Milgrom and Robert B. Wilson paise which wetland of Bihar is designated as Ramsar site so answer is Kabartal wetland designated as Ramsar site which state tourism won Pata Grand Award 2020 Kerala paise prestigious space Pata full is a prestigious Pacific Asia travel Indo-American Chamber of Commerce conferred IACC to short form to IACC Lifetime and Global Excellence Award kune paise Ratan and Tata dia hoise Emmy Award 2020 paise Sichit Kreke paise Zendaya aru te hoise youngest winner for best actress Emmy Award 2020 youngest author to win Booker Prize Marike Lucas Reasonable सबसे youngest author to win Booker Prize 2020 Asia Game Changer Award for feeding millions amid COVID-19 so answer is Michelin star chef Vikas Khanna paise Asia Game Changer কোভিডত বহুত মানুহক মানে ফিট কৰাৰ কাৰণে পাইছে ইণ্ডিয়াছ ফাৰ্ষ্ট women fighter pilot to fly Rafale is Shivangi Singh world's fastest human calculator hoise Nilakantha Bhanu Prakash ICC Cricket Hall of Fame award goes to Kelly Chalker Laker and Jahir Abbas Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna award winner cricketot paise Rohit Sharma Mariappan Thangavelu paise para athletics tar bisot Manika Batrai paise table tennis Vinesh Fogate paise wrestling aru Rani Rampale paise hockey Akshay Kumar ranks in world's highest paid actor top korise Kylie Jenner etu koisu aru Akshay Kumaror rank kiman hoise apuna 6th rank paise teor iman hoise net worth $48.5 million youngest author to win International Booker Prize for the book The Discomfort of Evening Mary Lucas Reasonable already koiso teor granthon hoise The Discomfort of Evening Booker Prize paise who won Swachhata Hi Seva Award NLCIL of full form is Navy Lignite Corporation of India Limited fourth richest man in the world Mukesh Ambani aru topot ase Jeff Bezos Asian College of Journalism Award kune paise Nitin Sethi and Shiv Sahai Singha first Indian origin woman to be honored with a memorial blue plaque is Noor Inayat Khan ICG ship Kanaklata Borua commissioned at Kolkata next India to launch Venus mission dash in 2025 with France CNRS participation Sukrayan 1 etu apnar Venus mission 2025 er bhitorot ki koribo launch korar kotha bhabise and akar hoite France or CNRS or hoite Sukrayan 1 India successfully test fires nuclear capable surface to surface missile named Shaurya okay India successfully test fired first anti-radiation missile dash from Sukhoi 30 fighter aircraft or anti-radiation missile to naam hoise Rudram world's lightest attack helicopter hauls 2 LCH deployed for operation at Leh Ladakh the new app launched by Nitin Gadkari to monitor highways plantation is Harit Path boli eta notun app launch kora hoise highway bilakor plantation apunar monitor koribole dwarf planet Ceres is now ocean world human development index ot India rank hoise 131 agote 129 asile 2019 ot 131 hoise out of 189 countries aru top position ase Norway human freedom index ot India rank hoise 111 162 country bhitor top ot ase New Zealand human freedom index ot India's rank in ease of doing business 2018 63 ease of doing business out of 109 countries global hunger index of India rank was at 94 out of 107 countries which state tops at literacy rate Kerala 96.2% Assam literacy rate was 85.9% overall literacy rate of India 77.7% literacy rate in rural areas that is 73.5% rural areas aru urban areas of literacy rate was 87.7% the wide gap of male and female literacy rate is found Rajasthanot sabse wide gap ase male and female male 80.8% or female 57.6% is India's rank in World Bank Human Capital Index ot 116 hoy World Bank or president hoise David Robert Malpass aru headquarter of World Bank hoise Washington DC Global Smart City Index of the year 2020 hoise the Institute for Management Development IMD along with Singapore University Global Smart City Index of the year first Asian university in top 20 in the world university ranking of first Asian university hoise China's Tsinghua University top of the same India's rank in Global Innovation Index of the 48 top of the Switzerland World Risk Report on India rank was 89 India in Digital Quality of Life 2020 ranked 57th and top position goes to Denmark Best FIFA Man Award 2020 by Poland footballer Robert Lewandowski Formula 1 Bahrain Grand Prix 2020 award Lewis Hamilton paise terms of World Athletics of the Year 2020 Mondo Duplantis paise first Indian to win a Formula 2 race Jehan Daruvalai paise. Winner of Italian Open 2020 men's category Novak Djokovic Serbia paise. Italian Open 2020 winner women category paise Simona Halep. So manot paise Novak aru womenot paise Italian Openot Simona. Romaniaৰ হয় তেও আৰু তেও আছিল নোভাক হৈছে সাৰ্বিয়াৰ US Open 2020 মেন্সত কোনে পাইছে ডমিনিক থাইম অষ্ট্ৰিয়াৰ হয় আৰু ওমেনত পাইছে US Openত নাওমি ওসাকা জাপানৰ Who won World Snooker Championship 2020 Ronnie O'Sullivan paise Who will sponsor Team India in Tokyo Olympics answer hoise Inox Group Who won IPL title sponsorship rights? Dream 11 paise IPL sponsorship right? ICC retains which country as the host of the 2020 men's T20 2021 men's T20 cricket? India. India will host 2021 cricket. Which country will host men's T20 World Cup in 2022? Men's T20 World Cup 2022 Australia host koribo. British Grand Prix title 2020 Mercedes Lewis Hamilton paise. Who has received the first Professor P.C. Mahalnavis National Award in Official Statistics 2020? Chakravarti Rangarajane paise. Members of International Scientific Group formed by UN Chief for Global Food Summit 2021, Ratan Lal and Uma Lele paise. Chief of UN, United Nations, Antonio Guterres. Overall winner of 2020 Commonwealth Short Story Prize kune paise? Kritika Pandey, okay, Commonwealth Short Story Prize. Diana Award 2020 for Humanitarian Work. Freya Thakrale paise Manav Dharmor karone. Which public sector company received Swachhata Hi Seva Award? Answer is NLC India. Who won IG Nobel Prize 2020 for Medical Education? Donald Trump, Boris Johnson, Narendra Modi, and Vladimir Putin paise IG Nobel Prize. Musician Kars Kale bagged the Best Original Music Award at 14th Annual Asian Film Awards for which movie? Gully Boy kane paise Kars Kale musician Best Original Music Award paise. Who won 2020 Bon Karma Award by International Academy of Astronautics? Kelasava Divo Sivan paise K Sivan teo paise. Winner of Nelson Mandela Prize 2020 Mariana Verdino Yannis Nelson Mandela Prize 2020 and Morissana Koyate. So dugoraki Emirates start hoy. Legend of Animation Award 2020 Arnab Chaudhary paise. Who received 2020 TIFF Tribute Actor Award on 45th edition of TIFF Toronto International Film Festival kune paise Best Tribute Actor Award Kate Winslet. The person who won Jagjeevan Ram Innovative Farmer Award 2019 T Purushottam paise Innovative Farmer Award. 2020 Asia Game Changer of Asian Society Vikas Khanna paise. Indira Gandhi Peace Prize for the year 2019 David Attenborough paise. Which organization has honored Sonu Sood with a Special Humanitarian Action Award? UNDP, okay, United Nations Development Program Special Humanitarian Action Award. This is Sonu Sood for helping the people during COVID-19. Lata Mangeshkar Award 2021 kune paise? Usha Mangeshkar paise. Global COVID Crusader Award 2020 Iqbal Singh Chabale paise. Booker Prize 2020 for his novel Shaggy Bain kune paise? Douglas Stewart paise. International Children's Peace Prize Award 2020 Sadat Rahmane paise. Name the India's official entry for the International Feature Film category at 93rd Academy Awards or 2021 Oscar Awards. So 9 Academy Award by Oscar Award 93rd number hobo ebar. So India official entry kunkhon movie hoise Jallikattu. Scientist of the Year Award 2018 by DRDO on December 2020 Hemant Kumar Pandey. 50th Dada Saheb Phalke Award paise Amitabh Bachchan paise. Best Motion Picture Drama Award at Golden Globes 2020 1917 number movie gone paise. Best Actor Award paise Golden Globes Joaquin Phoenix aru 29th Saraswati Samman for his short stories collection Checkbook namor short story collection gane Saraswati Award Hanman 29th kune paise Basdev Mohiye paise. Best debut in Republic Day Parade 2020 kune paise Jal Jeevan Mission paise. Central Banker of the Year 2020 Asia Pacific by the Banker কোনে পাইছে শক্তিকান্ত দাস RBI chairman. How many Indian journalists have been honored with the Pulitzer Prize 2020? Answer is 3. Who won Penn Hemingway Award in US for his debut novel A Prayer for Travelers? Kune paise Ruchika Tomare paise Penn Award or Hemingway Award. Recently, Sohrai Khobar painting of which state got GI tag? Answer is Jharkhand Sohrai Khobar painting a GI tag paise. First Indian to win Richard Dawkins Award 2020, Javed Akhtar. Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award for Cricket, Rohit Sharma paise. New Finance Secretary Debashish Panda. New Vice President and Chief Economist of World Bank is Chief Economist of World Bank and New Vice President Carmen Reinhardt. Brand Ambassador of Bihar Khadi by the state given to Pankaj Tripathi, actor. India's rank in Sustainable Development Index SDI 117 and first rank hoise Sweden. Global Hunger Index of India rank hoise 94th. India's rank in ease of doing business 63rd. India's rank in intellectual property index 40. Who wrote the book Azadi, Freedom, Fascism Fiction? Arundhati Roy recently लिखी है. हुकुने लिखी सभ्यता का संकट और समाधान कैलाश सत्यार्थी लिखी है. The project recently started by Kolkata Police, which aims to provide self-defense training to girls studying in schools and colleges, and that is Sukanya Buliata project launch korise self-defense training in by Kolkata Police. According to recently passed constitution amendment with the reservation to SCs and STs in Lok Sabha and state assemblies will be extended by how many years? So a reservation dibol SC ST kiman bosor extend korise 10 bosor. Name the company which announced $10 billion digitization fund in India, that is Google. India's annual median GDP in financial year 21. Economic Outlook Survey of FICCI kiman koise India GDP 21 of -4.5% hobo boli koise. The most valuable brand in the world as per Future Index 2020. So sabse valuable brand kuntu hoise 2020 Apple. Which Indian company enters into top 100 of Fortune Global 500 list of top 100 or Reliance Industry? Growth rate of India for 2021 as per RBI report 2920 -4.5%. Only G20 country that will record growth in economy in 2020 as per Moody's report is China. So only ekhon country hobo G20 countries jar economy grow hobo baki bila sob downfall. RBI reduce repo rate kiman reduce korise 4.0% reduce korise. So repo rate kiman hoy bortoman 5.15%, reverse repo rate 4.90%, bank rate is 5.40, MSF is also 5.40. So bank rate and MSF जो marginal standing facility और bank rate दुटा एके থাকে और CRR जो cash reserve ratio 4% আছে SLR statutory liquidity ratio 19.25%. The company in collaboration with ICMR NIV developed India's first COVID-19 vaccine in 2020 is Bharat Biotech. India's first human space which was planned to be launched in 2020 is Gaganayan. Northeastern states first manhole cleaning robot is Bandicoot buliata robot ulaise. Shukrayan 1 India's Venus mission which is scheduled to be launched at 2023 and 2025 will complete hobo boli koise. First country to officially register a COVID-19 vaccine named Sputnik V to jane Russia. The organization which has developed an anti-tank guided missile named Dhruva Shastra is DRDO. So Dhruva Shastra boli eta anti-tank guided missile launch korise. The wallet company which launched mpay.me UPI link service recently is MobiKwik. India's largest HPC-AI supercomputer that will commission by the Center for Development of Advanced Computing or karne largest HPC-A1 supercomputer to naam ase Param Siddhi. First private company which has sent astronauts into the space is SpaceX. Amit Pangal is associated with which sport? Boxing. 2021 Asia Cup tournament kot hobo Sri Lanka. FIFA Men's Football World Cup 2020 hobo Qatarot hobo 2022 Qatarot hobo. Tar pisat Formula 1 season opening Austrian Grand Prix paise Valtteri Bottas se paise. ICC Men's ODI World Cup 2023 India hobo. Aru 7th bowler in Test cricket history to scale 500 wickets is Stuart Broad. So এইখিনি দিছো আপোনালোকক যিমানখিনি পাৰো মই ইনক্লুড কৰিব চেষ্টা কৰিছো আৰু আশা কৰিছো এইখিনি আপোনালোকে বহুতখিনি হেল্প কৰিব ইন প্ৰিপেয়াৰিং ফৰ আপকামিং যি ৰিসেন্টলি এক্সাম আছে আহিব যেহেতু আপোনালোকৰ যোৱা বছৰৰ জিএখিনি বহুতখিনি ইম্পৰ্টেন্ট হয় আৰু আগন্তুক সময়ত আপোনালোকলৈ প্ৰভাইড কৰিম আৰু ইয়াৰ যেটো পিডিএফ আপোনালোকে টেলিগ্ৰাম চেনেলত নাপাব এইটো আপোনালোকে আমাৰ ইনষ্টামোজো একাউণ্টত পাব আৰু ইয়াৰে লিংকটো মই দি দিম ইনষ্টামোজৰ তো তাৰ পৰা আপোনালোকে পিডিএফটো ল'ব পাৰিব আৰু পিডিএফটো কাৰণে আপোনালোকে জাস্ট এটা মিনিমাম এটা এমাউন্ট পে কৰিলে হ'ল হেতু পে কৰিলে আপোনালোকে গোটেই পিডিএফ খিনি পাই যাব ওকে সো ইয়াতকেও আৰু এক্সট্ৰা কিছুমান কোৱেশ্চন পিডিএফত আমি ইনক্লুড কৰিম আৰু যদি বিচাৰে তেতিয়াহলে ল'ব পাৰে থ্যাংক ইউ